Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making pork belly bao buns. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you would need pork belly, lotus leaf buns, a shallot, garlic, green onion, cilantro, spring mix, mini cucumbers, carrot sticks, ginger, 4 Star Anise, coriander seeds, whole peppercorns, sugar, brown sugar, cinnamon sticks, salt, low sodium soy sauce, dark soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, rice vinegar, and Kewpie Mayo. Begin by slicing the shallot. Slice a cucumber. Chop the green onion into halves. For the brine, we had to double the ingredients, so follow along with what I'm saying. In a pan, add a half cup of water. Add a half cup of rice vinegar. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Add 2 teaspoons of peppercorns. Add 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds. Allow to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add shallots to a mason jar. Pour the brine over the shallots. Give the jar a shake and allow it to sit for 30 minutes. In a hot skillet, add about a tablespoon of olive oil. Sear the pork belly on each side for 2 minutes or until golden. Remove the pork belly from the skillet and drain some of the excess oil. Add the pork belly back to the skillet. Add green onion. Add 3 cloves of garlic and a small piece of ginger. Next, add 1 cinnamon stick and 2 Star Anise. Add 2/3 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2/3 cups of Shaoxing wine, a half cup of brown sugar, and 2 cups of water. Cover and allow to simmer for 25 to 30 minutes. Remove the pork belly and strain the sauce into a bowl. Add the pork belly back to the skillet. Next, add the sauce and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Add a cornstarch slurry, which is a mixture of 1 tablespoon of water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Allow to simmer until the sauce thickens. Cook lotus leaf buns according to the package. To the bao bun, add Kewpie Mayo. Add 3 cucumber slices and carrot sticks. Add spring mix. Next, add pork belly. Add pickled shallots. Next, add cilantro. And there you have it, pork belly bao buns. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them and muffins be cooking.